Hello, welcome back to Not 3 Word Technology. And as I always say, my name is Edu Amankwa Isaac, and you can call me Isoft Original GH, and I will be very proud of it if you just call me that. A couple of days ago, we were working on a church management software, and by the grace of God, we are able to create a homepage, the add new, the database, the bulk email, the SMS sender. Now is remaining the BD notification, and then the settings, and then the exit. But because we think of you, and because we are starting from the scratch, especially the basic levels, we're going to remove the BD notification out of the lesson for now, so that we can move very fast. So let's delete that, and then let's close it up. I'm sorry to tell you this, but we need to move faster, because for the BD notification it will take a while for us to get it done. It is very deep, so we have take that one out. Now let's see the settings. Let's debug it and see how best we want the settings to be like. Wow. Okay, so this is our home page. When we go to the settings, we want the settings to especially when we go to add new, we want the settings to change this color, right? This white color, we want the settings to change it to any color you want, right? We want it to change to any color that you want. And then we want this blue color to change to any color that you want, right? We want it to change to any color that you want. So what we're gonna do is let's go inside, and then start coding, start doing some basic interface. So we will just go to project, and then we will add a new user control, and then we will call this settings, right? So on our settings page, we would like to add a group box, as we always do. Yeah, so this is our group box, but for the topic of the group box, I will call it settings, right? And then for the color of it, I would like to use the active caption. Now we need to see how best we want to add some things up, right? We need to get to see how best we want to add some things up. But first, let's work on the anchor so that we don't forget. Yeah, then let's add um, hmm, we are going to just add only two things. So but I don't know if we want to all right, for now we will be going to add only two things. So for the settings, it will be in the center like this, and then we will be adding combo box, two combo boxes, right? So one combo box is here, and then the other combo box is also here, right? All right, so for the meantime, we are going to use only two settings, so that we can you can work along with it. Yeah, but as time goes on, we would like to add more things, but I would like for us to move very fast. That is the reason why I'm wasting a lot of time on I'm sorry, I don't want to waste a lot of time on this. So let's add a label, and then this label will be let's say this label will be change header color, right? That will be let's say change header color, and then we will be using regular but 12. Okay, sorry. Okay, then we will be, instead of the black color, we will be using white. Okay, let's use maroon, right? Okay, the maroon is good. Then okay, let's copy this and paste it. And then for this one, change the header color. So let's say change the base color, that is the main form, right? And then actually we need to work along with a font color dialog, but that will be in the intermediate level, right? That will be in the intermediate level. But basically we are going to add the colors we want, right? We are going to add the colors we want. So just click on the combo box and then go to edit items. Now you add the colors you want to add. So I will add red. I'm going to use caps red, black, green, yellow, violet, orange, silver, cream, gold, white, what again, brown, blue, green. Green is always already there, so we will say yeah, let's use this for the meantime. So let's copy everything in it and then click on OK. Now let's go to this one as well. Let's paste what we just copied, then let's click on OK. Now we are done with it. Let's go to rebuild it, and then after the rebuild, let's go to the home again, home design. Then let's go to the settings, let's pick it here and let's add it here. Now let's dock it up, right? Let's dock it, and then yeah, I think we are good to go. So let's double click on the settings, and then we will say that settings 1 dot bring to front, right? So we are done with it. Now when we debug it, you can see that it really works nicely. Then you can see that you have your colors here. Yeah, so the more you work along, the more it works, right? So we will be working on that, and then we will be here. So I wanted us to work along with some things out here. So let's go to the let's go back to the setting design, and then let's work along with let's add a button, and then let's see something here. Let's call this reset to default, and then that one too, we will be working on that. Save it and then just go back to where it belongs. Then let's see. Now you can see that reset to default. So when we type on reset to default, it will just reset to this interface designing here, and then you are good to go. So now actually we have coded all we have created all these stuffs. Now let's work along with the exit, right? The exit, I think you know it already, is the same as closing this, so you can work along with it. But so far as I'm concerned teaching you, let's say end application dot exit, right? So that is it, and then I think we are good to go. So I won't be wasting much time on this because I want us to, you know, working along with some stuffs. So we will begin by working along with the changing the back color of it, changing the colors, right? So we will double click on, let's go to the settings design, and then the reset. When the person click on reset, then we will go to home page, and then we will see this is panel 1. So home page panel 1 text should be highlight blue, highlight, right? So copy the highlight, and then the main form is control, right? So let's go to the settings and double click on the reset. So if the person click on the reset, then form 1 dot panel 1, so we will say form 1 dot panel, is it panel? Yeah, I think it's panel. Am I confusing myself? Sorry. Okay, so it's panel 1. It's on the home page. Sorry. Oh, Charlie, forgive me. Why? Because the reason why I'm facing this problem, we just named it home page, and as you can see, the name for it is home page. Let's see if we can get the name. Yeah, there we go, home page, right? Let's see the name as well. That is the text for it. Now you can see that the name is home page. So let's go back to the settings and say home page dot panel. Now you can see that it will just remove the panel 1 dot 4 color, right, equals to color dots, then you paste the highlight, right? I don't know the reason why it's just so. Okay, it's the back color, sorry, back color. We don't, okay. Back color equals to color red. All right, let's see, that is it. And then we have the back color. So panel 1 dot back color, right? So panel 1 dot back color equals to color red. So why am I getting this error? Let's see something. Oh, okay, so that color is not in my color section. So let's see, highlights. So let's use blue, light blue. All right, let's use light blue, and then let's save it. Let's go to the home page. Now on this, let's use light blue. All right. Oh, light blue is not. Let's use blue. Okay, the blue. Okay, so let's see, is Dodger blue. So let's copy the Dodger blue. Instead of the light blue, let's paste Dodger blue there, and then it's kind of works, right? It's worked. So now let's go to the settings, and then let's make sure we have all the items here, red, blue, blah 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 blah. Let's copy that one, and then open up a WordPad so that you can paste it somewhere here. Then you place it here so that you won't forget what you are typing. Yeah, so let's begin by double clicking on the combo box, and then we will tell the combo box that if the combo box 1 dot text equals to, then what you just typed red, then only then the homepage dot back color equals to is it the back color or is it the home page? Or okay, so we are working on the header, right? So it won't be the back color, it will be home page dot panel 1 dot back color equals to color dot red. All right, then we say else if combo box 1 dot text equals to what color is next? Black. Then home page dot panel 1 dot back color equals to color black, color dot black, right? Then let's go else if combo box 1 dot text equals to what color is next? Green. Then homepage dot panel 1 dot back color equals to color dot green. Else if combo box 1 the text equals to what color is next? Yellow. Equals to yellow. Then then home page dot panel 1 dot back color equals to color dot yellow. All right, I would like to end here because of my time, so you can do the rest, the violet, the orange, and then the other stuff. So I'll just end for the yellow. So I'll just go to the settings and then edit the items and then remove till I reach to the yellow. Save it and then do the same thing for the rest. Remove till I get to the yellow. All right, so let's see for the base color, right? So actually it is the same code. So let's go if combo box 2 dot text equals to, that is red, then home page dot back color. Now we are working on the home page dot back color equals to color dot red, right? Else if combo box 2 dot text equals to we are working on the black, right? So the black, then home page dot back color equals to color dot black. Else if combo box 2 dot text equals to green, then home page dot back color equals to color dot green. Else if combo box 2 dot text equals to yellow, then home page dot back color equals to color dot yellow, right? Okay, so we are good to go. Let's debug it and see how best it works. So now you can see that this is our color. Let's go to our settings. Now you can see that when I click on red, alright, so yeah, you can see that it is working perfect. Green, and then it is working. Yellow, and then it is working. So you just choose a color that will suit you, and then let's see the base. Red. I think the red is kind of complicated. Now you can see that it is working right. It is working perfect. Yeah, so when I click on reset to default, now you can see that this only resets to default, and then this is not working. This is not resetting to default, right? This is not working to this is not resetting to default, and then this should be cleared because we don't need it, right? We don't need all these things. So let's work on that. Let's go to the settings. Let's double click on that, and we say homepage.panel1 equals to blue, then homepage dot back color equals to color dot is it control? Was it control or white? Okay, let's use white, and then combo box 1 dot clear. Okay, combo box 1 dot text equals to clear, and then combo box 2 dot text equals to clear. So basically we are coding it gradually, right? Then we can work along with the settings. Now when we choose green, then we choose blue or yellow, now we can reset it to default, and then it works perfect. So guys, we will end here, and on our next lesson we will be looking at how to but one thing, let's add one thing so that we will get to get along with some stuffs. Let's go to the add new page, and then let's add some few buttons to this portion so that we can we can be good to go. So let's go to the add new page. That is it. Now let's drop down a little bit. Now let's add some few buttons, right? So we're going to add a couple of buttons, and then on this button all right, so this will be add new, right? And then this will be save. All right, this will be delete. This will be edit. Sorry. Okay, and then I think this will be the previous, and then this will be next. All right, so I hope we are good to go, and actually it is kind of good, it is kind of good. So yeah, that is our database system, and we are working on it as we can. So yeah, that is it. You can target all labels here so that you can change the colors, and then it'll work. You just highlight everything, then you go to the 4 color, then you choose maybe red or maroon, and then it will work perfect for you. Then you can save your project and then start to debug it, or you can start it up. Now when you go to add new, you can see that you have everything done here, and then it is working perfect. You need to add new so that it will just add everything, and then you are good to go, right? You are good to go. So guys, that is all for today, and on our next lesson we are going to see how to connect our database from Access. So just get all these stacks into your your Gam sheet so that we get start to do something. And then yeah, so thanks guys for watching, and then for learning on this biggest platform in the whole wide world, that is not What Technologies. And big thanks to Mr. James Akon, and then Isaac, the web programmer guy, and then the other programmer guy, the guy I always say that Nidina Yeramino. Yeah, I shout outs to him, and then all to What Technology students working both online and then offline at our premises. So until we meet again, let's meet on our next lesson so that we can learn how to connect to the database using Microsoft Access. So I'm granting this opportunity to tell you that if you don't have Microsoft Access, make sure you install Microsoft Office Suite on your computer. So I am reminding you that the plugins are there. You can just send me a WhatsApp message, and I will talk to you nicely so that you can get one of the plugins. So until we meet again, have a nice day, and bye bye.